So it begins, the Nintendo Switch 2 is finally here, and today we're unboxing it together. Fresh out of the box, no messing around.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So let's unbox it. You can see. First thing you are greeted with is the console itself. And here is, behind this is my Mario Kart World code, download code for redeeming that. So awesome. Here are the Joy-Con controllers. You get the left and right, obviously, blue and red. What else is in the box? Get the HDMI, Ultra HDMI cable. So, assuming it's for when you actually get the dock. This one is, loving it, you still get at least some sort of controller to attach your Switch Joy-Cons to. Was worried they were actually going to skimp on this, so good job Nintendo. USB-C cable, very high quality from the looks of it. A charger, so this is an Australian charger for me. I believe it's 60 watts, but if I'm wrong, I'll put what wattage it is. But very compact, heavier than the machine. And obviously you got your wristbands, Joy-Con wristbands, so you don't throw your Joy-Con at the TV screen. And finally, what's in this box is the ta-da! This is the updated dock. This is connected by clips, so it's not a magnetized. It's not a magnetized backing, but obviously you have your AC adapter input there, HDMI and LAN cable there, and I believe behind here should be the fan to cool your Switch 2 to make sure that it does not overheat and has improved. It is actually, obviously it's bigger, but I actually like it. I like this one. I probably wouldn't travel with it. I'll use some USB-C solution. Oh, and there is also two USB 3.0 over there, so fantastic dock. So let's get on with showing what's in here. So this is obviously the new and improved Switch 2. There you go. Loving this new hinge design. Reminds me of a Surface, or even I think one of the custom things I've done with my Lenovo Go case. Love that, because I've always had to use some stupid solution to have my Switch 1 docked when I was traveling. So loving that now. Fantastic. The Joy-Cons. So let's just see, because it is now supposed to be magnetized. So, I don't know if you can see this. Hang on. Oh, feels a bit. And then, can you see that? Oh, awesome. And this is it. Probably got to say the Nintendo Switch 2 feels simultaneously small, but substantial for your actual hands. The matte finish is actually very, very smooth, and the LED display actually does look gorgeous, and that's even before I've been powering it on. The Joy-Cons feel really smooth. The thumbsticks glide now. I'm actually quite impressed about how it compares to the previous models. So obviously, again, very great first impressions, Nintendo. So let's just power this on. And there you have it. You can see my own reflection. Oh, you can hear. That's the intro music. So obviously English, UK, Australia for me. Australia, New Zealand. Just let me sign into my Wi-Fi here. It is now connected to the internet. So this is the whole setup. You can use and yep, awesome, awesome. Okay, perfect. There's two USB, one at the top, one at the bottom. There's a release button there. Ooh, okay, good to know. Like that ladle, yep. Accessories, skip that, we're familiar with those. So it needs to update. So while that's all updating, I'll probably say it does contain a very high quality HDMI cable, certified as fast data transfer. It's a nice and subtle touch by Nintendo for providing us the cable. And as I mentioned, the straps. So you can just attach them. Perfect. Not sure if they are magnetic or not. Let's see. So, no, they're not magnetic. You would just be pretty much doing that. Very easy though. Very cute. Look how cute that is. I mean, it's cute. And there's just a button there to push. The heck. And since I only have the digital download of Mario Kart World, I won't be unboxing any physical cartridge today, but I can't wait to dive into these games for Switch 2 and share my gameplay impressions soon as well with you. If you enjoyed this fresh unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2, smash that like button, it really helps us a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Join Testicles for all things techs. I'll be doing a full review of the Nintendo Switch 2 soon, including my thoughts on playing Mario Kart World and both Zelda games, because I didn't really get round to finishing either of them. So if you want an in-depth gameplay impression and my honest opinion, make sure you stick around for that video. But before we do wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite part about unboxing new tech? It's like Christmas for me. Is it seeing your hardware first or checking out all the accessories? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to watch our next video where we get hands-on actual gameplay with the Switch 2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.